Hi everyone, I'm Abby, the social media manager here at SBBlooms.
And I'm Emily, the social media coordinator.
And today we are showing you how to recreate our ceremony install from the Marlowe photo shoot we shared with y'all last week. Here is a picture of the ceremony install at our location. We shot at the beautiful Huntington Library. So today we're going to show you how to recreate it.
So the products you'll need are 8 Marlowe Garland, 5 Marlowe Grand Centerpieces, 4 Marlowe Large Centerpieces, 5 Marlowe Standard Centerpieces, 3 Marlowe aisle markers, a short gold stand, and a tall gold stand.
Yes, and when we show you close-ups, you'll see that for our size restraint, we had to make our ground arch a little smaller. At the photo shoot, we had so much space to work with, so we made it kind of large, but depending on the space you're working in, you can add products to make it larger and kind of open up the ends of the ground arch, or you can close them in to make it smaller, whatever you prefer.
So the tools you'll need to recreate this look today are wire cutters and zip ties. That is all you need. You can use scissors if you don't have wire cutters, and you'll be good to go.
Yes, all right, let's get into it. Okay, so that is how you recreate this Marlowe ceremony install. As you can see, it was super easy. It took us maybe 15 minutes to just place everything and get all the product in the positions that we want. And we can't wait to see how you style Marlowe for your big day or event. You can use her for anything.
So if you like this install and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next time.
Bye. I almost cut my arm off.